Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you free Euro standard pack, how to claim kick-off task reward of the Ramadan quest in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this quest and try to search the Ramadan quest. As you can see, there are total 5 tasks that you can challenge to complete this Ramadan quest. One of the tasks is the kick-off. This is a long quest because you have to complete 15 versus attack, head-to-head or manager mode matches. You have to complete 15 match of division rivals. No need to win every match. All you have to do just play 15 times. And as you can see, I already done 15 times. So let's claim this €1 standard pack. Let's tap the claim button and tap to open, and this is the standard pack. Refill all, and this is the guarantee reward. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click the next button below. Enjoy the game.